You itching to crack open gadgets or tinker with new tech? Electrotechnics is your playground. Let's dive into the world where wires, gears, and creativity collide. Here at Electrotechnics, we're all about breaking things down, literally and figuratively. Want to know how a circuit ticks, what makes a tool special, or how machines come alive? We bring you clear, hands-on guides, clever hacks, and in-depth reviews of the coolest products for hobbyists and DIYers. From building your own gadgets to learning how to repair old favorites, we cover electronics, mechanics, and everything in between. You'll get detailed explanations, step-by-step tutorials, and honest advice, whether you're a seasoned tinkerer or just starting out. So grab your soldering iron, get comfy, and join the Electrotechnics community. Subscribe now and let's power up your passion for making, fixing, and exploring tech.
Alright, let's talk about something that sounds super high-tech, but is actually a hero in hospitals, labs, and even tattoo shops. The autoclave. So what is an autoclave? Picture a giant souped-up pressure cooker. That's basically it. An autoclave is a machine that uses steam under high pressure to sterilize things, like surgical tools, lab equipment, and even some waste. If you want something completely germ-free, this is your go-to gadget. Now, why not just use boiling water? Well, boiling kills a lot of bugs, but not all of them. Some bacteria make these tough little shells called spores, and those can survive regular boiling. But crank up the pressure, and you can superheat steam above 100 degrees Celsius, usually up to about 121 degrees Celsius or even higher. That, my friend, is game over for pretty much every germ out there. Here's how it works. First, you load up the autoclave with whatever needs sterilizing. You shut the door tight, like really tight. Then, the machine starts pumping in steam while increasing the pressure inside the chamber. It's kind of like the cabin pressure on a plane, but instead of keeping you comfy, it's wiping out microbes. The magic number is usually 121 degrees Celsius at about 15 pounds per square inch above normal air pressure. Stuff stays in there for 15 to 30 minutes, depending on what you're sterilizing. The combination of heat and pressure does a number on any living thing. Proteins break apart, cell walls explode, and spores get absolutely demolished. Once the cycle's done, the pressure and temperature drop back to normal, and you can safely open the door. Everything inside? Sterile, ready to be used in surgery, science, or wherever you need a totally clean slate. Autoclaves aren't just limited to hospitals or labs either. They're used in dentist offices, beauty salons, and even by tattoo artists. Basically, anywhere it's crucial to keep things super clean. So next time you see someone prepping surgical tools or lab glassware, remember, behind the scenes there's probably an autoclave quietly doing its thing. No cape, just steam and science. Curious about more behind-the-scenes science gear? Hit that like button if you want me to dive into more cool machines next time.